Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Drive on your desktop. So right now I'm on my Chrome desktop. So first, if you are on Chrome, then you can find this 9 dot button that actually store Google apps. So you can simply click on it, and from here you can find all the apps that you have saved here, and you can get more apps from Google. You can simply click on more from Google. Now here is your Google Drive, so you can simply click on it, and Google Drive is a perfect app that will help you to store, access, edit, share your files online. So this is a type of cloud where you can store your data, and you can get free 15 GB cloud storage that you can use to store your some important data files like your documents, your Excel sheet or your Google sheet or your photos, image, videos, anything that you can store here, and you can access it anywhere, anytime with any device. So you just need to make sure that you are on that correct email. So you have to connect if you want to access this Google Drive account through your phone and edit it through your tablet. Then make sure that you have to log in this email address through that devices so you can access this drive. So that's the simple thing that you have to connect this. So only you have this Google this Gmail address and the password of that, and you have to might go through that two-factor authentication that actually can verify it by you. So you don't need to worry about the security of your drive. So from here, let me show you how you can upload some file here. So in Drive, you can simply click on New. Now from by New button, you can find this new folder. So you can create a new folder. So and you can also upload a file natively on this section here, or if you want to create a folder, so you can specify some section. So like I want to upload I have to say like photos. So where I want to upload some photos of mine, so I just added that. Now here you can see it has just created the photos here. So in my drive, actually this is actually home where you can find all the files according to your access. It will be shuffled, and in my drive you will find that all these things organized that actually owned by you. And in computers there is that change will automatically change. So if there is any change on your computer drive, then you can just it will just change it according to your computer, or it actually you can get it phone if you mobile, that if you using your mobile application. So now from here you can see I have just added the file from here. Also you can get that file from my drive here. Then you can go to the file and you can upload that photo if you want. So you can upload a photo in that file. So if you want to upload a photo in a specific file, so you have to open that file, that specific file, and you can upload a photo. You can also create a folder in that folder. Or I'm going to upload a photo, so that is the photo. So here you can see the photo is uploading. So here you can see that at the bottom right side you can find a bar where you can find that photo here that uploading. You can upload multiple photo by tap on this file upload here, and you can upload multiple photos. This is actually Airsoft guns. uh, Here you can find it has uploaded the multiple photos. You have to choose that multiple images and you have to simply done, or you can simply let me show you. You also can upload it by drag and drop. You can simply uh, drag and drop it in your drive, so it will upload that file in your photos like this actually. So I have just added it, so I'm going to shift it. If you want to copy or paste any file anywhere, if you want to customize it, then you can use your keyboard shortcut keys like Ctrl plus C. If you select it, if you want to copy that item here, copy that image here, then you have to simply click on Ctrl plus C. Here you can see the item is copied. Then if you want to paste it, then you can simply paste it here. So here you can see copy, the file is now copying. So here is the copy of that image here. So you can also cut a file. So I'm going to cut that file by simply click on Ctrl plus X here, and for paste that image you have to simply click on Ctrl plus Z, then it will paste that file here. So actually there's always a file, already a file available here, that's why it's not cloning here. So you can simply delete a file, simply click on that, and here is the trash icon, you can simply click on it and it will delete any file here. Any file you can delete it by simply choosing that, and you'll find this delete button here. So from here you can just use your keyboard shortcuts. Also you can simply click on Ctrl plus A to select all files from here. Then you can simply copy it by Ctrl plus C, you can paste it by Ctrl plus Z, and you can cut it by Ctrl plus X. And sorry, you have to paste it, sorry, that's my bad. Actually you can copy it and you can paste it by Ctrl plus V. So you can just, here you can see it is copied that another file here. So just like this you can copy all that file here. So you have to simply click on Ctrl plus V, so you can copy that file, or otherwise you can simply right click on it, any file here. So you can find open with, so you can get the preview from here, or you can open it in new tab. You can download that file from anywhere and you can rename the file. You can make a copy, that actually I show you that Ctrl plus C for copy and Ctrl plus V for paste that file. And you can now let's move how you can share a file. So for example, I want to share that file from here, so you have to click on that file and you will find this. If you hover over that file here, then you can find this man and plus icon here. This is actually the share icon, so you can simply click on this share icon, then it will load a window where it is pretty easy. And I prefer that everyone should use Google Drive for their productivity. Now from here you can give the access to anyone if they want. So for example, this email here, so I have just give an email here, so they can access this file here. Now you can select the restriction here, that you can give a restriction, like you can give the role for that person that you are inviting or giving access. So that person could be a viewer, that person could be a commentator, or that person is commenter, or that person can edit. If you select editor, then that person can edit or delete or copy that file from your file. So if you don't want to delete anything or make any changes by that person that you have added as a recipient, so you can simply select viewer. Or if you want to send that file to your co-workers for as your partners, your co-workers, your employers, or anything, so you can just simply send it by editor and simply click on send. Or you can copy the link by tap on this link icon, so link is copied here, so you can share it with the link actually. Then you can simply go to the settings. So here you can select the limit access to photos, so you can select the limit access. Now you can some people may lose access, only the owner and people added directly to this folder can open it. So if you want to limit that access, so you can just select it here. So that's how you can simply send the invitation. So here you can see the general access, that you can select it restricted or anyone with the link. So if you select that, so anyone can access your file with that link. So if you are sharing any public file, so you can go with this option here. Or otherwise there's another option that you can download it all from here. So you can select add multiple files here, or one or two file, or only one file. So as much as your file selected, then you can find the file selected, the amount of file selected, and you will find this download button here. So as soon as you click on this download button, so it will download all the files here. Also you can delete the file from here, and the three dot button to make copy of that file, or you can organize it by moving it to a specific section or specific files. Also you can add shortcut to your system, or it could be your PC or mobile, but tap on this button here. Now you can find all the files that actually shared with you by someone. So here is, you can see one file actually shared by someone, like this person here, that actually shared this password from shared this sheet to me. So it has just listed this in here. Here is the recent folder where you can find the recent files that you have added, copied, pasted, or cut it, or deleted, actually not deleted. So you can find all the recent folders here. You can give the types, you can filter it by type, people, modified, or source. The time, actually the date when it is modified last time. and the start. So what is start? It is actually a favorite feature. If you want to add it to favorite, then you can simply tap on this star icon. So it will add that file as mark that file as a start, and it will store in this start section. Then the spam here, so you can find spam folder if you have any. So I prefer you to delete all the spam folder here. Then the trash icon, so trash icon will give you all the details about the deleted items that you have deleted from your this Google Drive. Then you can actually recover that by tap on that item, and you'll find this clock icon, which will allow you to restore that trash to your main drive. And also you can delete it forever permanently. So you can simply delete button here and delete forever, and it will delete that item from your drive forever. Now you can get a free 15 GB storage, so you can get more storage by tap on that, and you can purchase around 1 GB, and more than this here is 1 GB. So you can get a monthly subscription or annual subscription. So you can use 1 TB storage or 100 GB storage on your Google Drive. So that's all. Hope you like this, and that's the way how you can use your Google Drive. Thanks for watching. Till next time.